So now we're gonna... If any higher than that, it will burn. That's in the oven. I'm so excited for it. Hey guys, we are going to make meringue cookies. Here's the ingredients: food coloring, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 4 egg whites. Make sure egg whites are room temperature, and 1 cup of sugar. Make sure egg whites go in the mixer without spilling. Try to do it without spilling. Get an adult to put it at low speed. We have to wait for it to get white, then we add the sugar. Now that it's white, we're going to add little sugar at a time. This is the 1 cup of sugar. We are going to add the cream of tartar, 1/4 teaspoon, and we are also going to add the salt and the vanilla. I'm going to do blue and red, which makes purple, and I'm going to have to do that at the same time, I think. Make sure to preheat your oven for 200 degrees only. If any higher than that, it will burn. Yeah, if you're too impatient, just take it out of the oven. Oh, and if you didn't hear me during the mixer thing, it's supposed to be fluffy and 1 to 2 hours for the oven, depending on the size of your cookie. And for the meringue cookie, we have to get this piping bag and the spatula. A spatula, it says Bon Appetit. So now I'm going to start decorating. Now that the meringue is done, oh, so look, this one's perfect, so perfect. I love that one. Since the meringue is done, we're gonna put it in the oven. Once again, you probably watched the pizza video already. As I said, get an adult to put it in the oven. So that's in the oven. I'm so excited for it. And somebody's licking me. I think it's because I licked the meringue in the video. I also did outside of the video. It is so much. Now we are going to try this. I hope it's good. Well, of course it's very good. I think. That's good. The inside. It's very good and sweet.
What's your rating from 1 to 10?
Me?
Yes.
10 out of 10.